Welcome to Compass and Pencil. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or not subset in the blank space. Set 2, 3, 4 is the subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A, B, C not subset of B, C, D. X is a student of class 11 of your school. It is a subset of student of your school. X is a circle in the plane. Not subset of circle in the same plane with the radius 1 unit. X is a triangle in a plane. It is not subset of rectangle in the plane. They have different properties. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Equilateral triangles are some type of triangles, so it is a subset of triangles. X is an even natural number. It is a subset of integer. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. First question, A, B. Not subset of B, C, A. False because A, B contained in B, C, A. Next, A, E is the subset of such that S is a vowel in the English alphabet. True, A, E are vowels in the English alphabet. Next, 1, 2, 3 is the subset of 1, 3, 5. 2 is not contained in 1, 3, 5, therefore false. Next, A is the subset of in ABC. True. A element of ABC. True. Next, X such that X is an even natural number less than 6 is the subset of X is a natural number which divides 36. True. X is an even natural number less than 6 are 2, 4 and natural number which divides 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, set 3, 4, 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Second option, set 3, 4 element of A is correct. Fourth option, 1 element of A, it is also correct. And null event 5 is an element of A is not correct. Seventh question, set 1 to 5 element of A is not correct because 1 to 5 element of A but set 1 to 5 not element of A. Then I take subsets. Writing all the given subset of the set A. Writing the subset, we get option 3, 6 and 10 are correct. Write down all the subset of the following sets. First question, set A. The subset of set A are null set and set A. Then second, subset of AB. Null set, set A, set B and set AB. Third, subsets of 1, 2, 3 are null event 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Last, the only subset of null event 5 is 5. How many elements has P of A if A is equal to 5? We know that if A is a set with m elements, that is n of A is equal to m, then n of P of A is equal to 2 raised to m. If A is equal to 5, then n of A is equal to 0. That is n of P of A is equal to 2 raised to 0, that is equal to 1. Write the following as intervals. First question, is such that x in R minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. Here minus 4 not included and 6 included. So we can write Open -4, closed 6. Second question, x such that x in R -12 less than x less than -10. -12 and -10 are not included, that is less than symbol. So that is we can write as open interval -12 -10. Next, x in R 0 less than or equal to x less than 7. Closed bracket 0 and open bracket 7. Next, x in R 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Then 3 and 4 are included in this interval. Therefore, closed interval 3, 4. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Open interval -3, 0. X such that x in R -3 less than x less than 0. Next, closed interval 6, 12. So we take 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. Open 6, 12 closed. Then we take 6 less than x. For 12 we take less than or equal to 12. Next, closed -23, 5 open. At the side -23 we take less than or equal to, and at 5 we take less than symbol. That is x in R -23 less than or equal to x less than 5. What universal sets would you propose for each of the following? First question, the set of right triangles. For the set of right triangles, the universal set can be the set of triangles or the set of polygons. Next, the set of isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are some type of triangles. So, the universal set can be the set of triangles or the set of polygons or the set of two-dimensional figures. Given the sets A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which of the following may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B and C? First, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I take the set as D. Here A contained in D, B contained in D and C not contained in D. Therefore, D is not the universal set of A, B and C. Null set. A is not the subset of null event, B is not the subset of null event and C is not the subset of null event. So, null event is not the universal set. I take set E is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is the subset of E, B is the subset of E and C is the subset of E. Therefore, E is the universal set of A, B and C. Now I take set F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A is the subset of F, B is the subset of F and C is not the subset of F. So, F is not the universal set of A, B and C.